Hi kids! Today we're going to build our very own sock puppet, just like Sam from the Sock Crew Adventures. But first, we will need to gather up a few supplies. Here is what you need: 1 crew sock, some fabric glue and fabric scissors, 2 buttons for eyes, a piece of felt to make a mouth, some strands of yarn and peel and stick stars. We have our supplies. Let's begin. First, we want to cut out an oval shape from the felt for the mouth. Then, we're going to glue that oval shape to the toe of the sock. Next, we're going to turn over the sock and glue our buttons onto the sock for eyes. Looking good, guys! Now, let's take a few equal strands of our yarn and glue them down to make the hair. Last but not least, we're going to carefully peel the back of our red, white, and blue stars and paste them down onto your sock. Now, for the big reveal, here he is, Sam, our American sock puppet from the Sock Crew Adventures. Say hi, Sam. We hope you had a sock-tacular time making a sock puppet today, and be sure to hit that like and follow button for more fun with your favorite sock crew.